In this lesson, we're going to talk about exponents with different types of bases. We're going to start with the negative base. Right here, if we have a negative number or variable as the base, this exponent says that we're going to multiply this negative x by itself 3 times. If we're talking about a number, this is saying negative 5 to the third power, so negative 5 times negative 5 3 times. Negative times a negative, this right here is going to be positive 25, but then when we multiply it by this last negative 5, we get negative 125 as the answer right here. This is the expanded form. And when we get it down to one number or variable, this would be the simplified form. Try these examples on your own. Here are the answers. It's a good thing to note that when the exponent is even, your answer is going to be even when there is a negative base. When the exponent is odd, you're going to have a negative answer when it's simplified. When the bases are fractions, we are going to do the same thing. So you're going to take the fraction, multiply it by itself as many times as the exponent says. When we're multiplying fractions, we are taking and multiplying the numerators, 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And we are also multiplying, we are multiplying the denominators, 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. From here, if it can be simplified, you can do that. Otherwise, you are leaving that as your simplified answer. Try these problems on your own. When the base is a decimal, we are still doing the same thing, x point y. So we're going to take that x point y and we're going to multiply it by itself as many times as the exponent says to do so. For example, 1.2 to the third power is 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2, or 1.728. Try expanding and simplifying decimals raised to certain exponents right here. Here are your answers.